Good afternoon. We're going to see a right mixture of weather right across the country for the coming week. In eastern areas, particularly of eastern England, we're going to see a fair amount of rain during the first half of the week. But then as we go into the tail end of the week, it is going to become drier and brighter and certainly a little bit warmer due to a fair amount of sunshine. Through eastern parts of Scotland, down through much of northern England, Wales and southern England, it's going to be fairly dry and bright, but watch out for some rain on Monday and again on Wednesday. Further west over Northern Ireland and western Scotland, a mixture of sunshine and showers. At the current time, we have an area of high pressure over Northern Ireland and Scotland, but further east we have this rather vigorous area of low pressure over the North Sea, bringing a good deal of cloud over much of England and Wales at the moment, and also some outbreaks of quite showery rain down through central and eastern parts of England too. Now, as we go through the rest of the day, the wettest weather is going to continue through Lincolnshire, East Anglia and also South East England. And we're likely to see some showers cropping up in central southern England and the Channel Islands later on in the day. But elsewhere, particularly over Scotland and Northern Ireland, it's going to be dry, fairly bright with some sunny spells. But it is going to be a cool day right across the country, particularly in the east there, and that strong, even gale force north or northwest wind, temperatures just 12 degrees. Tonight, keeping some rain over eastern and central parts of England, but much drier and clearer elsewhere, and that's going to lead to a frost in central and northern parts of Scotland, temperatures well above freezing elsewhere. Tomorrow, the area of high pressure still over Scotland and Northern Ireland, but still that low over the eastern side of England, bringing a good deal of cloud with some further outbreaks of rain and remaining quite cool there. Elsewhere, remaining dry, fairly bright, some sunshine for most of us, but probably the best of the sunshine in western Scotland, and temperatures, if anything, still a little bit below normal. On Tuesday, we have that area of low pressure still firmly anchored to eastern parts of England. Very little in the way of wind, though, by that time, but we do have this cold front starting to edge in from the west, probably reaching Western Ireland by the end of the day. Still some cloud and quite dank weather over parts of East Anglia, further little bits of rain, but for the majority of Wales and England and Scotland, it's going to remain dry and quite sunny at times. But on Wednesday, that cold front really pushing right across the country, bringing some quite unsettled weather to much of central and eastern England and also eastern Scotland in the way of some showers. But we'll start to see drier, brighter weather coming into western Scotland, Northern Ireland and southwest England during the latter part of the day. That front moving out of the way on Thursday into the North Sea, then a little bit of a ridge of high pressure. So showers, there's that word go in eastern England and eastern Scotland, but then drier, brighter weather pushing its way in from the west quite quickly, and a fair amount of sunshine to be had over much of the country. But then on Friday, some quite strong winds coming in from the south or southeast, bringing some showers to many western areas.